Hello there, fellow University of Louisiana colleagues. My name is Dr. Michael Martin. I will be conducting this asynchronous online course for Bridging the Divide Summer Series. And when I submitted this proposal, I realized that it was a bit for the course that it was a bit theoretical in nature, and it was hard for me to compartmentalize into measurable goals. I'm an English professor at Nicholls State University, I should say, but the reason I mention that to you is because I'd like you to begin thinking immediately about how you would design a particular course in your field and discipline if it were to be taught in multiple places at once. So, part of the goal for this course is for you to develop for yourself your own class using different modalities than you've become accustomed to. Maybe you have taught synchronously before, maybe you have taught asynchronously before. But the idea would be, secondly, on top of that, if you can begin thinking about how HighFlex, which we used at Nicholls State, which I'm guessing that many of you used for better or worse, how HighFlex produced or created a model of teaching and learning that could be duplicated for its better qualities in a different teaching modality. In other words, you've now crossed the bridge. You've done a HighFlex course, right? So you've tried something new and you've succeeded. Why not do something more now? And just to use a theory, what if there was an American history course that had 15 students at Northwestern State and 15 students at Louisiana Tech, and you needed to teach to both students at once? Could you do so? What modality would you use? Would you be able to do it on Zoom? Would you use the same HighFlex model? I'm thinking of a synchronous model where all students would be together with one modality, not in seat and separate, but together in one modality at once. We also have done asynchronous teaching. I'm betting you've already done asynchronous teaching. Maybe some of the engaging activities we've done in HighFlex, such as direct one-on-one interaction with professor, group work, chat, simultaneous projects done via Google Docs, things that we did in HighFlex, maybe that could be used in an asynchronous course to beef things up and to make it more interactive and to do all the things that we think are good. Look, my thought would be, and maybe this will be a final one, we had to teach via HighFlex during the pandemic. What about the idea of teaching if we had to in a different modality? Would you be willing to try that? I hope you would be, and I hope this course gives you some concrete things that you could do. Once again, you're building towards a course of your own and kind of going to show me a course of your own, and I'll provide feedback using a rubric where you'll be thinking about how HighFlex methods could be applied to synchronous and asynchronous modes of teaching. So welcome to my course. My email is michael.martin@nichols.edu. I look forward to collaborating with you. Thanks for taking my class. I hope it's engaging for you.